Are you looking to unleash your inner explorer and conquer every terrain with ease? Well, look no further because we've got the ultimate electrifying lineup of top-notch electric hybrid bikes. From conquering city streets to blazing trails through rugged terrain, we've got the ultimate companions for your journey. But before we delve into our list, please note that our picks are in no exact order, so stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect hybrid electric bike that meets your individual needs. Number 5 on our list, the Moustache bike's Samedi 27 Xroad 2 is a true marvel in electric hybrid bike technology. Its frame, crafted from 6061 T4, T6 alloy with variable thickness hydroform tubes, integrates seamlessly with the Bosch PowerTube battery, ensuring a sleek and unified design. Equipped with a SR Suntour XCM ATB fork with preload adjustment and 80mm of travel, this bike offers a smooth and controlled ride over varied terrain. Powered by a Bosch Performance line motor delivering 250 watt and 75 Nm of torque, paired with a Bosch PowerTube 500 watt-hour battery, the Samedi 27 Xroad 2 boasts an impressive autonomy of 116 kilometers. The Shimano 9-speed transmission, hydraulic disc brakes, and Moustache aluminum cranks ensure precise control and efficient power transfer. With features like Bosch's Smart System, integrated display, and optional Connect module for added security and functionality, the Moustache Samedi 27 Xroad 2 sets a new standard for electric hybrid bikes. Number 4 on our list brings us the Riese and Müller Delite 4, touted as the all-rounder for any terrain. With its sporty frame geometry and exceptional craftsmanship, the Delite 4 is engineered to tackle long trips, bumpy forest trails, and steep climbs with ease. At its core lies the powerful Bosch Performance Line CX motor and a massive 750 watt-hour battery, offering unparalleled freedom and flexibility. The fully integrated and removable battery, positioned for optimal weight distribution, prioritizes a sporty riding experience. For those craving even more power, the optional Bosch PowerMore 250 watt-hour additional battery provides an extra boost, conveniently stowable in a backpack or bike bag. Riese and Müller's control technology ensures maximum riding enjoyment, with a perfectly tuned full suspension system providing exceptional traction and stability even at high speeds. Safety is paramount with optional Bosch e-bike ABS 2.0 and standard Magura disc brakes, ensuring precise control and reliable stopping power in any situation. With its powerful headlights and daytime running lights, the Delite 4 ensures riders remain visible and well illuminated on any adventure, making it a standout choice for both urban commutes and off-road explorations. Number 3 on our list is the Marshall Electric Hybrid Bike by Schwinn, designed to accompany you on your everyday adventures with ease. Whether you're cruising around town or embarking on exploratory rides, the Marshall ensures you can do it all without fretting about long distances or steep inclines. Powered by a robust 250-watt brushless geared hub drive pedal assist motor, this bike amplifies your pedaling efforts up to 20 miles per hour, granting you the freedom to choose between various levels of assistance or ride without it entirely, maintaining ultimate control at all times. Additionally, the throttle feature allows for acceleration up to 20 miles per hour without engaging the pedals. The bike's 288 watt-hour internal downtube battery provides approximately 25 miles of range on a single charge, rechargeable in just 4 hours via a standard household outlet. Integrated LED lights on the battery enhance visibility and contribute to the bike's modern aesthetic, while included head and tail lights further improve safety during low-light conditions. Constructed with an alloy frame for lightweight durability, equipped with 7-speed twist shifters, and featuring mechanical disc brakes, the Marshall offers a comfortable and reliable riding experience. Its 2.3-inch wide wheels with alloy double-wall rims ensure superior durability without sacrificing agility, making the Schwinn Marshall Electric Hybrid bike the perfect companion for powering up your adventures. Ranked at number 2 is the Canyon Pathlite on 5 SUV, equipped with the Bosch Performance Line CX25 motor and a formidable PowerTube 625 watt-hour battery. delivering a staggering 340% pedal assistance with 85 Newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse combination ensures an epic riding experience with ample juice for extended journeys. For added convenience and security, riders can integrate the system with the Ebike Flow app to access features like the Ebike alarm and GPS tracking. Charging the battery is a breeze, whether through the frame-integrated jack or by removing the battery for remote charging. The Pathlite on 5 SUV offers 100% connectivity, allowing riders to effortlessly manage riding modes via the LED handlebar remote. With the battery, remote, and drive units seamlessly connected in the smart system, control functions can also be accessed through the Ebike Flow app. Additionally, riders can enhance their experience with over-the-air updates, navigation, and activity tracking by securely mounting their phone on the SP Connect smartphone mount. Tackling various terrains with confidence, the Pathlite on 5 SUV features Maxxis Crossmark 2 EXO TR 57mm tires, renowned for their exceptional traction and low rolling resistance. Coupled with its fender sets and Ortlieb QL 3.1 compatible rear rack, this bike ensures riders and their gear stay protected and secure, making it an ideal choice for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Securing the top spot on our list is the specialized Turbo Tero X4, a full-suspension electric bike engineered to redefine adventure. With its specialized full-power motor, boasting 50 Newton-meters of torque and a robust 530 watt-hour battery, this bike offers unparalleled pedal assistance and remarkable battery life, enabling riders to cover up to 68 miles, 110 kilometers, or 5 hours on a single charge in eco mode, making it a true ride-anywhere vehicle. The specialized app and mastermind display empower riders to tailor the Tero X's power output to their desired riding preference while providing added security features such as motor disabling and motion sensor alarm activation. Featuring 130 and 120 millimeters of full suspension, including a lockout-equipped RockShox Recon Silver RL fork and RockShox Deluxe Select R shock, this bike ensures confidence, comfort, and control over even the most rugged terrain. Equipped with a dropper seat post for enhanced maneuverability and Drytech stainless steel fenders for protection against the elements, the Tero X is ready for any adventure. Its world-renowned ground control grid T7 tires deliver unsurpassed traction, while the rear rack with side pannier rails provides a generous 20 kilograms carrying capacity, expandable with optional front rack and adventure plate accessories. With an integrated Lezine Classic front light and fender rear light, the Turbo Tero X 4.0 sets a new standard for versatility, power, and comfort in electric hybrid bikes, ensuring that every ride is an opportunity for exploration and discovery. As we wrap up this exciting journey through the world of electric hybrid bikes, we hope you're feeling inspired to embark on your own adventures. Be sure to check the links in the description below to discover more about the bikes we've featured today. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on our latest updates and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep pedaling towards your next great adventure.